If y'all want some wings that look like this, then stay tuned. All right, guys, we're jumping straight into this video with the ingredients that we're going to need to make our amazing honey garlic wings. Okay, so we have olive oil. You're going to need some salt and pepper. You're also going to need ginger. You can use fresh ginger as well. I'm using ginger paste, but if you use fresh ginger, just chop it up really fine. You're going to need onion and garlic powder, smoked paprika, chili powder, soy sauce, honey, minced garlic, as well as your chicken already cleaned and cut. So we're going to start this recipe off by seasoning our chicken. We're going to use some sea salt and some black pepper to season our chicken today. Now, I know that may sound crazy to some of you guys. I'm used to really seasoning my chicken, so this was a little weird for me at first. But for this particular recipe, just salt and black pepper to season your chicken. Now, because we're only using salt and black pepper, don't be too shy. You don't want bland chicken wings at your table. You want the meat of the chicken to taste good. So don't go heavy, but don't go light. Now we're going to mix in our salt and pepper with our chicken wings. Now, guys, you want to make sure you mix it in really well because you want your salt and pepper to coat all of your wings. After that, you're going to drizzle a tad bit of olive oil as well as your smoked paprika. And once again, we just mix. I'm sorry, guys, for the measurements. I told you guys in my last video, I do not measure anything. I do everything by eye, so bear with me. Please do. Now that our chicken is well seasoned, we're going to grab our baking tray. Always line your baking tray up with aluminum foil at the bottom. This makes for easy cleanup at the end. You also want to spray your baking tray grid with a non-stick cooking spray, so this way your chicken doesn't get stuck to the grid. We're going to cook our wings for a total of 50 minutes. We're going to do 25 minutes on each side. So place them in, first 25 minutes, then flip them over, cook them for another 25 minutes on each side. These wings look great. They are ready to go inside of our oven at 425 degrees. And let's get ready to make our honey garlic sauce. So off camera, I mixed together our soy sauce, honey, minced garlic, as well as the onion powder and garlic powder. There you saw me added in our chili powder. I'm also going to add in my ginger paste. Remember, if you have fresh ginger, that's fine as well. Just make sure to chop it up really fine before adding it into your honey garlic sauce. I know I did most of these things off camera, you guys, but everything is like a dump and go. Dump your onion powder, garlic powder, dump your chili powder, your soy sauce, dump everything, mix it well, and you go. Okay, so now we're going to bring our honey garlic sauce to a stove top, and we're going to cook it to a light simmer. Now we're going to simmer our honey garlic sauce because we want it to thicken. You want it to thicken because you want it to stick to your wings. Okay, so we're only going to bring it to a light simmer. Once it simmers, we're just going to cut it off and just let it sit so it can thicken up some more. Our 50 minutes are up and our wings are crispy. These are my wings after shaking it in a bowl with the honey garlic sauce. I did have extra sauce left over, so I just used my brush and I painted the extra sauce on all my wings. This is just to give it more of a juicier presentation. Y'all, when I say these wings came out amazing, I mean amazing. Okay, like just look at them. And all the ingredients were really cheap. This is a very easy meal to make. Like, try it out. Comment down below to let me know what else you guys want me to make for my next video.